Let's take one of these data product that we have created. Firstly, there is a health diversity related data product. I'm seeing the data product, and there is an option called Wrangle. As most of you know, wrangling is nothing but ability to take the data set and restructure on fly and then reformat it to meet your needs. That wrangling, right? Wrangling data. So in this case, this particular data product, I can take through a wrangling options to create sub data products. Why am I doing this? First, say here is the data, and then which gives me 80% of what I need. But I still want to add a few more, apply a few more transformations on top of it. Maybe marry with some data, maybe filter the data, and then create my own sub data product suits to my specific business need. So in this case, before I start transforming data, what can I do? First, I can click on each one of these fields and then get more details. By the way, as you could see here, this is a quality bar. This is going to tell you for each column, it's going to tell you how many valid values, how many null values, how many mismatched domains, invalid values. All this information is presented right here. So by clicking on each of these columns, you get the column details as well. What are the column details? How many unique values that I have? And then what is the distribution of the data? And then what pattern? What are the key statistics? All the metrics that gives you insights are right here, extension to the profiling metrics that you'll see. But in addition to that, you can perform quite a bit of transformations here. Here is the transformations. You can change data type, you can change domain, or you can change some, you can trim the data, you can format data, you can cleanse this data by removing a column or replacing a part of the string, or a mask a particular part of the string, or a split the data. And they're like that, there are tons of transformations available. If there are transformations that are not available, which are in a graphical way, there is different SQL methods that you can use to actually transform data as well. Let's just take this example. I have a field called area health resource file release number. And this particular value, I want to split it based on a dash. As you could see, there is a separator of dash. I want to take this field and split into 3 different fields. All I would have to do is just go here and say cleanse, and then I will say split. And then it's going to give me, okay, split using delimiter or a split using position. In this case, a split using delimiter. My delimiter is a dash. And then number of columns that I want to create is 3. And then if I want to give names for each of the 3 columns that you can give, also if you want to remove original column, you can do that. Let's just say click on confirm. By doing it, it's going to take that one column and split into 3, keeping the original column intact. As you could see, here is the original column. Here are the 3 new columns that got created. Like that, you can replace the null, so you can actually do all kind of a cleansing activities or mashing and marrying activities, and call it is here is my sub data product. This is my health resource data set. It's not my health. It's a health data set for Vasu. Right? And then I can just give a tag for it, and I can give a description for it, and then just say. So by doing this, it's going to create a sub data product. Now, as you can see here, if I go back to my products, and then there is a section for sub data products, and here is the sub data product that I just created. This particular product is created using the main product that was listed in the DataMarket.